Good morning, one and everyone. Standard 11th Commerce English medium. In the last lecture, we have seen in the presentation of the data what is discrete variable, what is continuous variable, type of frequency distribution, and type of the diagrams and graphs. Today, we are going to take frequency distribution. Frequency distribution are of the two types: discrete type frequency distribution and continuous type frequency distribution. In our textbook, page number 21, example number 3, for the given data, we have to prepare the frequency distribution table by taking one of the classes 30 to 39. By taking 30 to 39 as one of the class. From the given data, 50 number of the items. These are the number of the flowers, number of the roses, and information for the 50 number of the days are supplied. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same way 12 4s are 48, 49 and 50. 50 number of the observations. One of the class we have to take 30 to 39. So this type of classes are known as inclusive type of classes. Classes are of the two types, exclusive and inclusive. If we take 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on, then this type of classes are exclusive, but these classes are of inclusive type, in which both the limits, lower limit as well as upper limit, both are included in inclusive type of classes. For the given data, maximum value is 99 and the minimum value is 17. So the range of the information xh minus xl I have returned. Highest value minus lowest value, maximum minus minimum, you will get the range. Therefore, the 99 minus 17, 82 will be the answer of range of the data. So, one of the classes 30 to 39. So, to include this value, 17, first class would be of 10 to 19 and the last class would be 90 to 99, so that all the data, all the information can be covered in it. Classes are means values. Variable, value of the variable 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 and so on up to 90 to 99. These are the sign, tally marks or tally bars. Right? 34 lies in this class, 30 to 39. So make sign here. 35 in the same class, 37 once again in the same class, 39 in the same class, fifth value 39. So take this bar, cross. Means this type of sign are known as tally marks or tally bar, and you know this method very well. How to prepare this type of table, and this is known as frequency distribution. Count this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the frequency of this class 10 to 19. 5 is the frequency of this particular class, first class 10 to 19, frequency is part. 20 to 29, frequency for this class is also part. Frequency for this class 30 to 39, 5 plus 5 it means 10. Once again 40 to 49, 1, 2, 3, frequency is 3. For 50 to 59, 5 plus 3 means 8 is the frequency. 60 to 69, frequency is part. 70 to 79, frequency is 5 plus 2 means 7. 80 to 89, frequency is 4. And for the last class, 90 to 99, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the frequency. This is known as continuous type frequency distribution. And this type of classes are known as inclusive classes, inclusive type, in which both the limits are included. Lower limit, upper limit. How to compute mid value? Mid value of the class. Mid value is given by upper limit plus lower limit. UL means upper limit plus LL means lower limit by 2. Add these two limits and you will divide it by 2. You will get the mid value or the central size of the class. 10 to 19. 10 plus 19 means 29. 29 divided by 2 will become 14.5. These are the frequency. Middle column is of the frequency. I have written. Here, mid value of the class, central value of the class, central size of the class. For 10 to 90, mid mid value is 14.5. Simply how to compute mid value. This is required for computing arithmetic mean. This is required for other calculation also. 20 to 29, mid value is 24.5. Addition of these two numbers is 49, and 49 divided by 2. If you divide this total by 2, it becomes 24.5. 30 to 39, mid value is 34.5. 40 to 49, mid value is 44.5, and so on. Please calculate properly. Calculation of mid value. Further, how to calculate less than type cumulative frequency and more than type cumulative frequency. CF. The proper meaning of CF is cumulative frequency. To add successive frequency. How to add? Frequency, this is CF of less than type, and this is CF of greater than means more than type. In less than type, take upper limit point. These are the upper limit: 19, 29, 39, 49, and so on. These are the upper limit value. How to compute upper limit point? Then add 0.5 in this limit. Less than 19.5, less than 29.5, less than 39.5. Why we have to add? Limit and limit point two are different things. So add 0.5 in this value, you will get upper limit points. Subtract 0.5 from this value, you will get the lower limit point. How to calculate this? 20 minus 19, difference of this value is 1. 1 divided by 2, 1 upon 2 means 0.5, and that is why 0.5 should be added and 0.5 should be subtracted from both the limits. You will get the limit points. So for less than type CF, here we have to take upper limit point. Always take the upper limit point. So less than 19.5, less than 29.5, less than 39.5. By adding 0.5 in each of the value. By adding 0.5 in each of the value. Right? 19.5, right? Frequency. Now how to calculate cumulative frequency? First frequency as it is 5. Then add successive frequency. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 3, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. Plus 5, 36. Plus 7, 43. 43. 43 plus 4, 47. 47 plus 3, 50. Total of the frequency is the last cumulative frequency. Always. And in more than type cumulative frequency, more than type CF distribution. More than type cumulative frequency distribution. This is simple frequency distribution, and with the help of simple frequency distribution, what we have calculated? Calculation of mid value, calculation of less than type CF, calculation of more than type CF, more than type cumulative frequency. For more than type value, take lower limit point, means more than 9.5, means 9.5 more than 19.5. So these more than 9.5, more than 19.5, more than 29.5, and so on up to more than 89.5. Frequencies are, see, middle column is our simple frequency. How to compute more than type CF? Then take the order from bottom to top. In less than type CF, top to bottom. More than type cumulative frequency from top, bottom to top. And here top to bottom. 3 last frequency as it is, then add 3 plus 4. These 3 plus 4, it becomes 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 3, 30, 30. 30 plus 10, 40, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. 45 plus 5, it becomes 50. This way we have to calculate less than type cumulative frequency and more than type cumulative frequency. These are the basic and fundamental or foundation methods in the frequency distribution. Also we have to learn how to compute simple frequency distribution with the help of less than type CF and more than type CF, but it will be later on. So please be prepared. In our textbook, take the example, first try example of this type. This is example number 3 from page number 21. So in our textbook, take first 5 or 7 example of same type and also exercise example. Example from our exercise and practice well so that you can construct your foundation of the statistics very complete, means in the complete sense. This is the basic and fundamental thing. With the help of this table, later on we are going to calculate mean, median, mode, how to compute the value of mode with the help of graph. These things are very much in use, and so please be prepared well. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Okay, see you next time.